I'm Minghan. So today I would like to discuss about the 2.2 structure and function, cells, membrane, and organelle. So this video is the part A, which discuss about the organelle. So in the eukaryotic cell, there is two types: animal cell and the plant cell. And these animal cell, plant cell have learned before these primary school and secondary school. So I discuss about more that. So we discuss about more detail about the organelle. So first organelle is the nucleus. So nucleus is the largest organelle compared to others because it's the most important in any cell, either animal cell or plant cell, and it's very good shapes. Inner part of the nucleus contains the nuclear plasm, just like a line. It contains the DNA, chromatin, and so on, which fill the interval from the nuclear pore, which the opening is called the nuclear pore. So the nuclear pore is very important to regulate the movement of the molecules across the plasma membrane to control in and out of the substance across the plasma membrane. So the outer membrane, so the nucleus has the double membrane. So the outer membrane is the continuous with the endoplasmic reticulum, the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and the nucleolus is dense. It's dense in the nucleus, so it's very good shape. So its function is the size of the RNA synthesis, and non-membranous that are the membrane. So dia combine dengan protein form the RNA to form RNA. Dia combine dengan rRNA to form ribosome, and is the most dense mass structures. It contains DNA, RNA, and proteins. So for the nuclear plasm, as I told before, chromatin is the long chain of DNA and the histone protein, just like a linear of the DNA. So the function of nucleus is to control the cell activity and cell division, and it stores the genetic material, size for the RNA synthesis, and ribosome subunit assembly. So for the ER has two types, RAR and STR. So RAR and STR difference is the RAR has the attached ribosome and the STR does not have the ribosome, since the surface is smooth. So the function of RAR is for the transport of proteins. It can transfer protein to the Golgi apparatus or Golgi bodies within the transport vesicles. There is butt out from the RAR. So for STR is the size of lipid synthesis, carry out the detoxification of the toxics and drugs, and also the storage of the calcium ion in the skeletal muscle tissue. So for the next one is Golgi body. Golgi body has a single membrane and has the flatal membrane sac, just like this. Belakang punya is called the cristinae, and the sacs are not physically connected. They are not connected to each other physically. And the space between the Golgi body is called the lumen, and each Golgi stalk has kiss face and trans face. So kiss face is towards the nucleus, and trans face is towards the plasma membrane. So the ER pinch off from the vesicles and towards the Golgi membrane to modify the package, process, and submit it. And the Golgi will spun off from the secretory vesicle. Secretory vesicles may become to solution once it's moved towards the plasma membrane and filled with substances like exocytosis. That means that the modified protein that will be used keluar. So dia punya organelle akan rupture lah dan simpan dia punya bahan yang boleh guna punya. Okay, so that's all. And the next one is the ribosome. Ribosome is the small granule, spherical, non-membranous, and made of RNA and proteins. Consists of two subunits, large and small. The small attached under the large ribosome. So there's two types: free ribosome that is not attached to RAR and freely in the cytoplasm. The function is the synthesis of protein that function in the cytosol. Another one is bounded ribosome that is attached on the RAR and synthesis proteins for transport to the cell membrane or to the lysosome. And the another function is the enzyme, which is the ribozyme, to catalyze the formation of the peptide bond. So for the next one is mitochondria. Mitochondria is oblong, biconvex, and enclosed by two layers of membrane. So the inner membrane is folded. It is called the cristae, and the matrix is the free fruit gel that uncover the space between the inner structures, and the outer structures is not folded. So in the matrix contains the bacteria-like DNA and ribosome to synthesis on proteins or enzymes, and enzyme is involved in the Krebs cycles. So the mitochondria, their function is to size of ADP synthesis or cellular respiration. So for the next one is chloroplast. Chloroplast is same shape with the mitochondria and also enclosed by the two layers of membrane. So it has a space between the outer and inner cells is called the intermembrane space. So the outer membrane points towards the cytoplasm, and inner will enclose a fluid-filled space we call the stroma, which responsible for the dark reaction of the photosynthesis. And there's start of this thing is called the grana. Grana is the plural, and they connected together by intergrana lamella. So the stroma contains also same with the mitochondria, bacteria-like the DNA or ribosome to synthesis on proteins and enzymes, and the enzyme involved in the Calvin cycle. So the function of the chloroplast is a set of photosynthesis. So the grana or telaca will carry out the light-dependent reaction, and the stroma will carry out the light-independent reaction or called the direction, and store the starch produced in the stroma. So the mitochondria and chloroplast also called as semi-autonomous organelle, which they can duplicate or reproduce independently within the cell without instruction of the DNA in the nucleus. Yeah. And the last one of the organelle is centriole. So centrioles, they exist in the pairs, and they were perpendicular with each other, and they located at the region called the centrosome, near to the nucleus of the animal cells. Each centriole is composed of 9 sets of triple microtubules arranged in a circle, which is 9 times 3 for each centriole. So that his function is organize the microtubules assembly during the cell division, either the mitosis or meiosis. They will arrange themselves and form the base of the cilia and flagella. So that is from all of the organelle. So thanks for watching.